This is a book, I think it's about evolution. Let's open and see. Okay, it's opened now. It's a second-hand book, so I don't mind that it has a little bit. Artist drawing techniques. Oh, I thought this is evolution one. Anyway, discover how to draw landscapes, people, still lifes, and more in pencil, charcoal, pen, and pastel. Oh, lovely! That's a gift. Okay. 2017 publication date. Printed in China. If you want to do good book, go to China. Basic, pencil, charcoal. Intermediate techniques. Oh, pen and ink, colored pencil, pastel. So it's just with a medium that you can work. Oh, I love that. That's a nice drawer. ...304 pages. So it's not just pencil, you can do with all the kind of coloring pencil, you know, pastel, gouache, and oil, and everything else you can draw. I like this chicken, the rooster one. The next one, which is fox or cat. It looks like a cat. And that's such a nice book. Oh, look at that, the nice images they have like these roosters. Well, oh, they made it look like American flag a little bit. Yeah, what they do with the marketing. They don't know many American people cannot afford anything. Anyway, this is a lovely book.